हरि कथा उपास सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा
assembled devotees. It is very fortunate today that on this auspicious day, the disappearance day of Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and we are listening to his transcendental glories. And also, one more special day is today, that the eternal associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Namacharya Haridas Thakur, his also disappearance day today. So since morning also we are hearing the glories of Harina and also the life history of Shri Haridas Thakur. That Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he himself carried the transcendental body of Haridas Thakur and took him to the ocean. And also Mahaprabhu declared that from today this ocean is Mahatirth. Why? Because the divine body of Haridas Thakur was bathed in that ocean. And also Mahaprabhu with his own hands he gave samadhi to the divine body of Haridas Thakur. Mahaprabhu, he used his own Uttriya and with his own Uttriya he was asking the bhiksha in the Anand Bazaar for Haridas Thakur's. And he celebrated the great festival of Mahaprabhu's disappearance, Haridas Thakur's disappearance, with that Mahaprasad from the Anand Bazaar. So today is that same day on which Haridas Thakur has disappeared, and by taking the shelter of the same day, our Nityalila Praveshila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj has disappeared, and he has entered into the service of his Gurudev and Radha Govinda. In the morning also I said that this world, the people of this world, they do Ashok Sabha, lamentation assembly after the death. But in case of a pure Vaishnava, it is Viraha Sabha, a separation assembly. Viraha, the normal meaning is sorrow. Is it that we are celebrating the sorrow? Festival of sorrow? No. Because if it is a festival of sorrows, then we would not celebrate it every year. The external sorrows that are visible in the life of a Vaishnava, that are not sorrows, but actually there is a great festival of bliss inside the heart of that Vaishnava. Gurudev used to give one example, that one reader of the Ramayana with a very beautiful voice, he used to recite the Ramayana. And when the episode of Sita ji is entering into the Patal, and which is heart melting topic,
सीता जी के पाताल प्रविष्टि थी। इस कथा को यदि कहीं
If one hears this topic of Sita ji entering into the Patal, his heart would be melted.
दूसरी की बात छोड़ दीजिए, उस सभा में जितने लोग भी थे,
Even in that assembly of that Vaishnav who was reciting the Ramayana, all the people who were sitting there, they were also
और सभी
weeping
कैसे हुए? जैसे आप लोग
by hearing that episode.
ठीक मैंने कहीं की तरफ से उसी प्रकार जो है वो रामायण के पाठ इतने सुंदर।
So that reader of the Ramayana, so sweetly he was explaining that katha, and all the listeners were weeping in that katha. Starting from the katha till the last of the katha, everyone was weeping. And on the second day, that speaker said, I will speak this katha again. The number of listeners came on the first day. On the second day, it was like 3-4 times more listeners present. Why? Because if the sorrow gives pain, then how many and many listeners would come to hear the katha which is full of grief or the sorrow? Why someone would come to cry? So externally it looks like this is painful, but in that episode there is a great transcendental bliss that one feels inside the heart, which is impossible to explain.
गन्ना को यदि आग में थोड़ा तपाया जाए, उसके अंदर में रस क्या हो जाए?
Like if the sugar cane, if you put it in the fire and when you will try to chew that sugar cane, though your tongue will be burning, but still you will feeling the sweetness. In the same way, the separation is also like the same. Externally it looks like we are crying, but inside the heart there is a great achievement of the bliss. So this Viraha Utsav, why we celebrate every year? So this separation festival in the Viraha Utsav, we hear the transcendental glories of that particular Vaishnava. Viraha, V means special and Raha means to stay. That by hearing the transcendental glories of that Vaishnava, the way he has served his Guru Padma, when we look at the viewpoint of a sadhak, later we will see it from the Siddha Drishti, from the viewpoint of the Siddha. So first we should try to see it from the viewpoint of sadhaka. So when we see as a sadhak, in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in this Bangla Pyar, it is said that how the sadhak, though our Guru Vaishnavas, they are not sadhak, they all are the eternal associates of the Radha Govinda, just like the Rup Sanatana Goswami. They are not ordinary people, but just like a sadhak, they are doing the pastimes to give us the instructions, the teachings, that how a sadhak would enter into the kingdom of bhajan. So these Vaishnavas, they give us the teachings in the form of the sadhak. Krishnadas Prabhu said that that how he was a great Guru
गुरु महाराज
Sevak.
की सेवा ही हमारा परम धर्म है।
That this is our Param Dharma, that how to serve our Gurudeva, whether it is superior to do the Harinam or to serve Guru and Vaishnavas. Our Gurudev used to say Name Achi. Gurudev said that I am not feeling well and you do the Mangala Arti. Then he said, the disciple said that Gurudev, you said that superior most is the Harinam. So that is why he said that I am Nameachi, means I am doing the Harinam. Then Gurudev said that you at least cook something for the Thakurji. Then again he said Nameachi. So Gurudev himself did all the service. And in the afternoon, Gurudev prepared again rasoi for the Thakurji. Gurudev is saying that I am feeling so fever, 103 degrees, that you do this seva. Then still he is saying Nameachi. Move. अब इसमें बोलूं केवल वो तो चली गई. So, but when it was the time to, फिर आ गई, मुझे लगा चली गई. So when it was the time to take food, then he came. So he didn't say that Nameachi, that I am chanting. Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to say that what kind of bhav we should have towards the Vaishnavas. Srila Gurudev came to Jagannath Puri. Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Maharaj, when he came to know that the Maharaji want to go, then he himself cancelled his train and he came first to the mutt and made all the arrangements for the Gurudev to stay, and he himself vacated his own room and prepared it for the Gurudev to stay. This is the way he used to serve the Vaishnavas. In the sadhak form, how beautifully he used to serve the Vaishnavas. So every disciple has this tendency to serve the Guru, but for the Vaishnav, what a great example. It is very rare to see this kind of example, that for a Vaishnav, this one particular person is setting this kind of example, doing this kind of service. So the way he was having the love for the Vaishnavas. In the Shastra it is said that first one has to do the Vaishnav Seva, then Guru Seva, and then Mahaprabhu Seva, and then Krishna Seva, then Radhaji Seva. To attain the Radhika's service, from where we have to start? We have to start from the Vaishnav Seva. If the Vaishnavas would be satisfied, Guru would be satisfied, Guru is satisfied, then Mahaprabhu is satisfied, Mahaprabhu is satisfied, then Krishna is satisfied, Krishna is satisfied, then Radhika would be satisfied. So today is a very auspicious day, and from you all Vaishnavas we have heard the glories of the transcendental glories of Srila Maharaj. I thought while I was doing the part in the Mathura that today is the chance to hear about the glories of Srila Maharaj, a great Mahabhagava, so that is why I came here.
महाराज की साहित्य की कृपा